Introduction to home improvement. Home improvement encompasses a wide range of projects aimed at upgrading or repairing a home. These projects can vary significantly in scope, from minor cosmetic changes to major structural renovations. Understanding the basics of home improvement is crucial for maintaining property value and enhancing living comfort. It involves a blend of practical skills, careful planning, and an eye for detail. This course will guide you through various aspects, ensuring you gain comprehensive knowledge. Whether you are a homeowner looking to tackle DIY projects or aspiring to a career in renovation, this diploma provides a solid foundation. Embracing home improvement can lead to significant savings and a personalized living space. The benefits of home improvement extend beyond mere aesthetics. They include increased energy efficiency, enhanced safety, and improved functionality. Well-executed projects can significantly boost a home's market value, making it a wise investment. Furthermore, undertaking home improvement projects can be a deeply satisfying experience, offering a sense of accomplishment. It allows homeowners to tailor their environment to their specific needs and preferences. Learning these skills fosters independence and problem-solving abilities. Ultimately, home improvement is about creating a more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable living space for yourself and your family. Planning your project effectively. Effective project planning is the cornerstone of any successful home improvement endeavor. It involves defining the scope of work, setting realistic goals, and outlining the necessary steps. Without a clear plan, projects can quickly become disorganized, leading to delays and increased costs. Begin by visualizing the desired outcome and breaking it down into smaller, manageable tasks. Consider the functionality and aesthetics you wish to achieve with your renovation. A well-thought-out plan acts as a roadmap, guiding you from conception to completion. This initial phase is critical for minimizing potential pitfalls and ensuring a smooth process. Budgeting is an indispensable part of project planning, requiring careful consideration of all potential expenses. Estimate costs for materials, labor, permits, and any unforeseen contingencies. It is always wise to allocate an extra 10 to 20% of your budget for unexpected issues that may arise. Establishing a realistic timeline is equally important, accounting for preparation, execution, and finishing touches. Research local regulations and permit requirements early in the planning process to avoid legal complications. Finally, consider whether you will undertake the work yourself or hire professionals, as this significantly impacts both budget and timeline. Safety first. Essential practices. Safety should always be the top priority in any home improvement project, regardless of its size. Neglecting safety precautions can lead to serious injuries or damage to property. Always assess your work area for potential hazards before beginning any task. Ensure adequate ventilation when working with paints, solvents, or adhesives to prevent inhalation issues. Proper lighting is also crucial to avoid accidents and ensure precision. Familiarize yourself with the operation of all tools and equipment before use. Taking these preliminary steps can significantly reduce risks and ensure a safer working environment for everyone involved. Personal protective equipment, PPE, is indispensable for safeguarding against common project-related injuries. Always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from flying debris or chemical splashes. Gloves are essential for protecting hands from cuts, splinters, and chemical exposure. Depending on the task, consider wearing a dust mask or respirator to prevent inhaling harmful particles. Sturdy. Closed-toe shoes are vital for foot protection against falling objects or sharp tools. Additionally, ensure electrical tools are properly grounded and cords are in good condition to prevent electrical shocks. Never work alone in hazardous situations, and always have a first aid kit readily accessible. Basic toolkit essentials. A well-equipped basic toolkit is fundamental for any home improvement enthusiast. Starting with essential hand tools will cover a vast majority of common household tasks and minor repairs. Key hand tools include a hammer for driving and removing nails, various screwdrivers, Phillips and flathead for fasteners and a tape measure for accurate dimensions. Pliers are useful for gripping and bending. While a utility knife is indispensable for cutting materials, a level ensures surfaces are straight and a wrench set handles nuts and bolts. Investing in quality hand tools ensures durability and better performance, making projects easier and safer to complete. Beyond hand tools, a few basic power tools can significantly enhance efficiency and capability for larger projects. A cordless drill is arguably the most versatile power tool, essential for drilling holes and driving screws quickly. A circular saw is excellent for making straight cuts in wood, while a jigsaw allows for intricate and curved cuts. An orbital sander provides a smooth finish on surfaces, saving considerable manual effort. Always prioritize safety features and read the instruction manual before operating any power tool. Proper maintenance, such as cleaning and storing tools correctly, will extend their lifespan and ensure they are ready for your next project. Understanding building materials. Understanding common building materials is crucial for making informed decisions in home improvement projects. Wood, a versatile and renewable resource, is widely used for framing, flooring, and decorative elements. Different types of wood, such as pine, oak, and cedar, offer varying strengths, appearances, and costs. Drywall, also known as plasterboard, is the standard material for interior walls and ceilings, providing a smooth surface ready for paint or wallpaper. It is relatively easy to install and repair, making it a popular choice for residential construction. Knowing the properties of these materials helps in selecting the right ones for specific applications. Paint is not merely a decorative finish, but also a protective layer for surfaces. Various types of paint, including latex, oil-based, and specialty paints, offer different durability, drying times, and finishes. Latex paints are water-based, easy to clean, and commonly used for interior walls. Oil-based paints are more durable and suitable for trim and high-traffic areas. Understanding the differences helps achieve the desired aesthetic and longevity. Additionally, materials like insulation, concrete, and various types of fasteners play vital roles in structural integrity and energy efficiency. Selecting appropriate materials ensures the longevity and success of your home improvement efforts. Painting techniques for interiors. Achieving a professional-looking interior paint job requires more than just applying color. It involves meticulous preparation and proper technique. Start by thoroughly cleaning the walls to remove dirt, grease, and grime, as paint adheres best to clean surfaces. Repair any cracks or holes with spackle and sand them smooth for an even finish. Taping off trim, baseboards, and ceilings with painter's tape creates crisp lines and protects adjacent surfaces. Laying down drop cloths is essential to protect floors and furniture from paint splatters. Proper preparation is often the most time-consuming part, but guarantees a superior final result. When applying paint, use a high-quality brush for cutting in around edges and corners, ensuring a clean transition. For larger areas, a roller provides efficient and even coverage. Load the roller evenly and apply paint in W or M patterns, then fill in the gaps without pressing too hard. Always work from top to bottom to catch any drips. Apply multiple thin coats rather than one thick coat, allowing each layer to dry completely according to manufacturer instructions. This approach prevents drips, streaks, and ensures a durable, uniform finish. Proper ventilation is also key during and after painting to aid drying and dissipate fumes. Exterior painting and finishes. Exterior painting is a critical home improvement project that protects your home from the elements and enhances its curb appeal. Proper preparation is even more vital for exteriors due to exposure to harsh weather conditions. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the exterior surfaces, removing dirt, mildew, and loose paint with a pressure washer or scrub brush. Scrape off any peeling paint and sand rough areas to create a smooth, even surface for adhesion. Repair any cracks or holes in siding or trim with appropriate fillers. Priming is often necessary, especially on bare wood or previously unpainted surfaces. to ensure better paint adhesion and durability. Choosing the right type of exterior paint is crucial for longevity and weatherproofing. Acrylic latex paints are popular for their flexibility, resistance to cracking, and breathability, making them suitable for most exterior surfaces. Oil-based paints offer excellent durability and adhesion, but are less flexible and can become brittle over time. Consider the climate in your region when selecting paint, opting for mildew-resistant or UV-resistant formulas if needed. Apply paint in optimal weather conditions, avoiding extreme heat, cold, or direct sunlight, which can affect drying and adhesion. 2 thin coats are generally better than 1 thick coat for a durable and uniform finish. Basic carpentry skills. Basic carpentry skills are fundamental for many home improvement projects, from building shelves to repairing structural elements. Accurate measuring is the first and most crucial step. Measure twice, cut once is a golden rule to prevent costly mistakes. Use a reliable tape measure and mark your cuts clearly with a pencil. Cutting wood precisely requires the right tools, such as a handsaw for simple cuts or a circular saw for faster, straighter lines. Always ensure your workpiece is securely clamped before cutting to prevent movement and ensure safety. Understanding different types of wood and their properties is also beneficial for selecting the appropriate material for your project. Joining wood pieces together forms the structural integrity of your carpentry projects. Common joining methods include using nails, screws, or wood glue. Nails are quick and easy for basic fastening, while screws provide a stronger, more secure connection. Wood glue, when used correctly, creates an incredibly strong bond, often stronger than the wood itself. For more advanced projects, techniques like mortise and tenon or dovetail joints offer superior strength and aesthetic appeal. Practice these basic skills on scrap wood before tackling your main project. Patience and precision are key to successful carpentry, ensuring your creations are both functional and durable. Drywall repair and installation. Drywall is a ubiquitous material for interior walls and ceilings, but it is prone to damage from impacts, moisture, or general wear. Learning basic drywall repair techniques can save significant costs and maintain your home's appearance. Small holes like those from picture hooks can be easily patched with spackle and a putty knife. Larger holes require a more involved repair, often involving cutting out the damaged section and inserting a new piece of drywall. Always ensure the area is clean and dry before starting any repair. Proper patching and sanding are crucial for achieving an invisible repair that blends seamlessly with the existing wall. Installing new drywall, whether for a new room or a major renovation, requires precision and patience. Begin by measuring and cutting drywall sheets to fit the wall studs or ceiling joists. Use a utility knife and a T-square for straight, clean cuts. Secure the sheets with drywall screws, ensuring they are driven just below the surface without breaking the paper facing. Taping and mudding the seams between sheets is the most critical step for a smooth finish. Apply multiple thin coats of joint compound, feathering the edges and sanding lightly between coats. This process creates a uniform surface ready for priming and painting, transforming a raw space into a finished room. Flooring, types, and installation. Choosing the right flooring is a significant decision that impacts a room's aesthetics, durability, and comfort. Laminate flooring offers a cost-effective and durable option, mimicking the look of wood or tile with a protective wear layer. It is relatively easy to install using a click and lock system, making it popular for DIY enthusiasts. Tile flooring, often ceramic or porcelain, is highly durable, water-resistant, and ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and high-traffic areas. It comes in a vast array of colors, patterns, and sizes, offering extensive design flexibility. Understanding the pros and cons of each type helps in selecting the best fit for your home and lifestyle. Carpet provides warmth, sound insulation, and a soft underfoot feel, making it a comfortable choice for bedrooms and living areas. It comes in various fibers, pile heights, and colors, influencing its durability and maintenance. Hardwood flooring, while often more expensive, offers timeless elegance, and can last for decades with proper care. It can be refinished multiple times, restoring its original beauty. Vinyl flooring, including luxury vinyl plank, LVP, and luxury vinyl tile, LVT, is known for its water resistance, durability, and realistic wood or stone appearances. Each flooring type has specific installation requirements, from subfloor preparation to specialized tools, which must be considered for a successful outcome. Tiling, walls and floors. Tiling is an excellent way to add durability, water resistance, and aesthetic appeal to kitchens, bathrooms, and other areas. Proper surface preparation is paramount for successful tiling. Ensure the substrate is clean, dry, level, and structurally sound. For wet areas, like showers, a waterproof membrane is essential to prevent moisture penetration. Laying out your tiles beforehand, often called a dry run, helps determine the best starting point and minimizes cuts, ensuring a balanced and symmetrical pattern. This planning step is crucial for achieving a professional and visually pleasing result, avoiding awkward cuts or narrow slivers at the edges. Applying tiles involves using the correct adhesive and technique. Spread thin-set mortar evenly with a notched trowel, ensuring full coverage on the back of each tile for strong adhesion. Press each tile firmly into the mortar, using spacers to maintain consistent grout lines. A level is indispensable for ensuring tiles are perfectly aligned and flat. After the adhesive has cured, typically 24 to 48 hours, remove the spacers and apply grout. Grouting fills the spaces between tiles, sealing them and completing the look. Wipe off excess grout immediately with a damp sponge. Finally, apply a sealant to the grout lines, especially in wet areas, to protect against stains and moisture. Plumbing basics, leaks and fixtures. Understanding basic plumbing can save you from costly repairs and water damage. The most common plumbing issues involve leaks, which can range from minor drits to significant bursts. Identifying the source of a leak quickly is crucial to prevent further damage. Common leak points include faucets, toilets, and under sinks. Knowing how to turn off the main water supply to your home is the first and most important step in an emergency. Simple fixes often involve tightening connections, replacing worn washers, or applying plumber's tape. Regular inspection of visible pipes and fixtures can help catch small issues before they escalate into major problems. Replacing or installing new plumbing fixtures like faucets, showerheads, and toilets is a common home improvement task. Before starting, ensure you have the correct tools, such as wrenches, pliers, and plumber's putty. Always turn off the water supply to the specific fixture or the entire house before beginning work. Follow manufacturer instructions carefully for installation, as each fixture may have unique requirements. When installing a new faucet, ensure all connections are tight but do not over-tighten, which can damage pipes or fixtures. Testing for leaks immediately after installation is essential to confirm a secure and functional setup. Proper installation ensures efficient water use and prevents future issues. Electrical fundamentals, switches and outlets. Basic electrical work, such as replacing switches and outlets, can be a rewarding home improvement task, but it demands utmost caution. Electricity can be dangerous, so safety is paramount. Always turn off the power to the circuit you are working on at the main breaker panel before touching any wires. Use a non-contact voltage tester to confirm the power is off before proceeding. Understanding basic wiring colors, typically black for hot, white for neutral, and green or bare copper for ground, is essential. Incorrect wiring can lead to electrical fires or shocks, so always double-check your connections. Never work on live circuits. Replacing a faulty switch or adding a new outlet can improve functionality and safety in your home. When replacing a switch, carefully note how the existing wires are connected before disconnecting them. For outlets, ensure the correct type is used, e.g. GFCI for wet areas. Connect wires securely to the appropriate terminals, ensuring no bare wire is exposed outside the terminal. After making connections, carefully push the device back into the electrical box and secure it with screws. Once everything is installed and the cover plate is on, restore power at the breaker panel and test the switch or outlet. If unsure at any point, it is always best to consult a qualified electrician to ensure safety and compliance with local codes. Lighting solutions, interior and exterior. Effective lighting design significantly impacts the ambience, functionality, and safety of your home, both indoors and out. Interior lighting should be layered, combining ambient, task, and accent lighting to meet various needs. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination. Task lighting focuses on work areas like kitchens or desks, and accent lighting highlights architectural features or artwork. Consider LED fixtures for energy efficiency and long lifespan, offering a wide range of color temperatures and brightness levels. Planning your lighting layout before installation ensures adequate coverage and avoids dark spots, creating a comfortable and inviting atmosphere in every room. Exterior lighting enhances curb appeal, provides security, and improves usability of outdoor spaces. Pathway lights guide visitors, while floodlights deter intruders and illuminate large areas. Accent lighting can highlight landscaping features, trees, or the architectural details of your home. Solar-powered lights offer an eco-friendly and easy-to-install option for many outdoor applications. When installing exterior lighting, ensure fixtures are rated for outdoor use and properly sealed against moisture. Consider motion sensor lights for added security and convenience. Thoughtful exterior lighting not only makes your home safer, but also more welcoming and visually appealing after dark. Kitchen renovation essentials. A kitchen renovation is one of the most impactful home improvement projects, significantly increasing home value and enhancing daily living. Careful planning of the layout is crucial, focusing on the work triangle between the sink, refrigerator, and stove for optimal efficiency. Consider your lifestyle and cooking habits when designing the space. Cabinets are a major component, offering various styles, materials, and storage solutions. Custom cabinets provide tailored storage, while semi-custom or stock options are more budget-friendly. Planning for adequate counter space and choosing durable, attractive materials are also key considerations. A well-designed kitchen combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. Countertops are a focal point and a heavily used surface in any kitchen, requiring a balance of durability, maintenance, and style. Popular materials include granite, quartz, laminate, and butcher block, each with distinct advantages and price points. Backsplashes protect walls from splashes and add a decorative element, with options ranging from tile to glass or stone. Appliances, from refrigerators to ovens and dishwashers, should be chosen for energy efficiency and features that suit your needs. Don't forget plumbing and electrical considerations, ensuring adequate outlets and water lines for all appliances. A successful kitchen renovation transforms the heart of your home into a beautiful and highly functional space. Bathroom remodeling. Key considerations. Bathroom remodeling is a popular home improvement project that can significantly enhance comfort and property value. Key considerations include maximizing space, ensuring proper ventilation, and selecting water-resistant materials. Small bathrooms benefit from clever storage solutions and lighter color palettes to create a sense of openness. Ventilation is crucial to prevent mold and mildew growth, making a powerful exhaust fan a wise investment. Planning the layout of fixtures, toilet, sink, shower, tub is essential for functionality and flow. Consider accessibility needs as designing for long-term use or for individuals with mobility challenges. A well-designed bathroom is both practical and a serene retreat. Waterproofing is paramount in bathroom renovations to protect against leaks and moisture damage. Ensure proper sealing around tubs, showers, and sinks, and consider waterproof backerboard for tiled areas. Selecting durable and water-resistant materials for flooring, walls, and vanity tops is also vital. Ceramic or porcelain tiles are excellent choices for floors and shower surrounds due to their impermeability. Vanities and sinks come in various styles and sizes, offering both storage and aesthetic appeal. Fixtures like low-flow toilets and shower heads can conserve water, contributing to a more sustainable home. Attention to these details ensures a beautiful, functional, and long-lasting bathroom. Insulation. Energy efficiency. Proper insulation is a critical component of an energy-efficient home, significantly impacting comfort and utility bills. It acts as a barrier to heat flow, keeping your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Understanding different types of insulation is essential for choosing the right solution for your specific needs. Common types include fiberglass bats, blown-in cellulose, spray foam, and rigid foam boards. Each type offers varying R values, a measure of thermal resistance, installation methods, and costs. Investing in good insulation reduces the workload on your heating and cooling systems, leading to substantial long-term savings and a more consistent indoor temperature. Installing insulation correctly is crucial to maximize its effectiveness. Ensure there are no gaps or compressed areas, as these can create thermal bridges that allow heat to escape or enter. Attic insulation is particularly important, as a significant amount of heat loss occurs through the roof. Wall insulation, whether in existing walls or new construction, helps maintain indoor temperatures. Proper ventilation in attics and crawl spaces is also necessary to prevent moisture buildup, which can compromise insulation performance. Consider consulting an energy auditor to identify areas where your home could benefit most from improved insulation, ensuring optimal energy efficiency throughout the year. Window and door replacement. Replacing old windows and doors is a significant home improvement that offers multiple benefits, including improved energy efficiency, enhanced security, and updated aesthetics. Older windows often have poor seals and single-pane glass, leading to substantial heat loss or gain. Modern energy-efficient windows, such as double or triple-pane units with low emissivity, low-E coatings, dramatically reduce energy consumption. Similarly, old doors can be drafty and offer minimal security. Upgrading to well-insulated, secure doors can significantly improve comfort and peace of mind. This investment can lead to noticeable savings on utility bills and a more comfortable indoor environment. The installation process for windows and doors requires precision to ensure proper sealing and operation. Begin by carefully removing the old units without damaging the surrounding wall structure. Prepare the opening, ensuring it is level and plumb, and apply appropriate flashing and sealants to prevent water intrusion. Install the new window or door, shimming it into place to ensure it is square and operates smoothly. Secure the unit with fasteners and then insulate around the frame to seal any gaps. Finally, apply interior and exterior trim for a finished look. While DIY installation is possible for experienced homeowners, professional installation is often recommended to ensure optimal performance and warranty validity. Roofing maintenance and repair. The roof is your home's primary defense against the elements, making regular maintenance and timely repairs crucial for its longevity and your home's protection. Routine inspections should be conducted at least twice a year, typically in spring and fall, to check for damaged, missing, or curling shingles. Look for signs of wear around chimneys, vents, and skylights, as these are common leak points. Clearing gutters and downspouts of debris prevents water backup, which can lead to fascia and soffit damage. Addressing minor issues promptly can prevent them from escalating into costly major repairs, extending the life of your roof and safeguarding your home's interior. Common roofing repairs include replacing individual damaged shingles, sealing small cracks, and addressing minor leaks. When replacing shingles, ensure you match the existing type and color for a seamless appearance. Use roofing cement to seal small cracks or loose flashing. For leaks, tracing the source can be challenging as water often travels before appearing inside. Always prioritize safety when working on a roof, using appropriate ladders, safety harnesses, and non-slit footwear. If repairs are extensive or involve structural damage, it is always best to consult a qualified roofing professional. Proper maintenance and timely repairs are key to preventing water damage and maintaining your home's structural integrity. Deck and patio construction. Building a deck or patio significantly extends your living space outdoors, providing an ideal area for relaxation and entertainment. Careful planning and design are essential to ensure the structure is safe, functional, and aesthetically pleasing. Consider the size and shape that best complements your home and yard, as well as the intended use. Material selection is crucial. Wood, like cedar or treated lumber, offers a classic look, while composite decking provides low maintenance and durability. For patios, options include concrete, pavers, or natural stone, each offering different aesthetics and installation requirements. Research local building codes and permit requirements before starting any construction. The construction process for decks and patios involves several key steps. For decks, establishing a solid foundation with concrete footings is paramount for stability and longevity. Framing the deck with joists and beams, ensuring proper spacing and attachment, creates the structural support. Installing decking boards, with appropriate gaps for drainage and expansion, completes the surface. For patios, proper site preparation, including grading and a compacted base layer, is vital for preventing settling and ensuring good drainage. Laying pavers or pouring concrete requires precision and attention to detail. Regardless of the type, proper construction ensures a durable and enjoyable outdoor living space for years to come. Landscaping basics. Curb appeal. Landscaping plays a crucial role in enhancing your home's curb appeal, creating an inviting first impression and increasing property value. Basic landscaping involves thoughtful design, plant selection, and hardscaping elements. Start by assessing your yard's existing features, sunlight exposure, and soil type. Develop a simple design plan that incorporates pathways, garden beds, and focal points. Choosing native plants or those well suited to your climate reduces maintenance and water usage. Consider the mature size of plants to avoid overcrowding and ensure they complement your home's architecture. A well-planned landscape provides beauty and functionality, making your outdoor space more enjoyable. Hardscaping elements, such as walkways, retaining walls, and small water features, add structure and definition to your landscape. Pathways made of pavers or gravel guide visitors and protect your lawn. Retaining walls can create terraced garden beds or manage slopes. Incorporating a small bench or seating area provides a place for relaxation. Regular maintenance, including weeding, mulching, and pruning, is essential to keep your landscape looking its best. Mulch helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Proper watering and fertilization ensure healthy plant growth. Even small landscaping improvements can make a significant difference in your home's overall appearance and enjoyment. Smart home technology integration. Integrating smart home technology can transform your living space into a more convenient, efficient, and secure environment. Smart devices allow you to control various aspects of your home remotely or through voice commands. Common smart home systems include smart lighting, thermostats, security cameras, and door locks. These systems can be controlled via smartphone apps, smart speakers, or centralized hubs. The benefits extend beyond convenience, offering potential energy savings through optimized heating and cooling schedules and enhanced security features. Planning which systems to integrate and ensuring compatibility is key to a seamless smart home experience. Installation of smart home devices often involves connecting them to your home's Wi-Fi network and configuring them through dedicated apps. Smart lighting systems can offer customizable colors and brightness, creating different moods. Smart thermostats learn your preferences and adjust temperatures automatically, saving energy. Security cameras provide remote monitoring, while smart locks offer keyless entry and remote access control. Consider starting with a few devices and gradually expanding your smart home ecosystem. While many devices are designed for DIY installation, complex systems or integration with existing electrical wiring may benefit from professional assistance. Smart home technology makes your home more responsive to your needs. Sustainable home improvement. Sustainable home improvement focuses on minimizing environmental impact, conserving resources, and promoting healthier living spaces. This approach involves selecting eco-friendly materials, reducing waste, and improving energy and water efficiency. Opt for materials that are recycled, renewable, or locally sourced to reduce their carbon footprint. Examples include bamboo flooring, recycled glass countertops, and low VOC, volatile organic compound, paints. Prioritizing durability and longevity in material choices also contributes to sustainability by reducing the need for frequent replacements. Embracing sustainable practices benefits both the planet and your family's well-being, creating a greener, more responsible home. Improving energy efficiency is a cornerstone of sustainable home improvement. This includes upgrading insulation, installing energy-efficient windows and doors, and using Energy Star-rated appliances. Harnessing renewable energy sources, such as solar panels, can significantly reduce your reliance on fossil fuels. Water conservation is another key aspect, achieved through low-flow fixtures, rainwater harvesting systems, and drought-tolerant landscaping. Waste reduction during renovation projects involves recycling demolition debris and donating usable materials. Consider the entire life cycle of products, from manufacturing to disposal, when making choices. Sustainable home improvement is an ongoing journey that leads to a healthier, more cost-effective, and environmentally responsible home. Permits and regulations. Navigating permits and local regulations is a crucial, often overlooked aspect of home improvement. Building permits are required for projects that involve structural changes, electrical work, plumbing, or significant alterations to your home's footprint. These regulations ensure that construction meets safety standards and local zoning laws. Failing to obtain necessary permits can lead to fines, project delays, or even the requirement to tear down completed work. Always check with your local municipal planning or building department before starting any major renovation. Understanding these requirements early in the planning process can save considerable time and money. The permit application process typically involves submitting detailed plans, drawings, and sometimes engineering reports. The complexity varies depending on the project scope and local jurisdiction. Inspections are usually conducted at various stages of construction to ensure compliance with approved plans and building codes. Be prepared for these inspections and ensure your work meets all specified standards. While minor cosmetic changes like painting or replacing fixtures often do not require permits, it is always best to confirm. Adhering to regulations ensures your home improvement projects are safe, legal, and maintain their value, protecting you from future complications when selling or insuring your property. Hiring contractors. Best practices. For larger or more complex home improvement projects, hiring a qualified contractor is often necessary. Selecting the right professional is crucial for a successful outcome. Start by seeking recommendations from friends, family, or trusted sources. Always obtain multiple bids, at least 3, to compare pricing, scope of work, and timelines. Verify their licenses, insurance, and professional affiliations to ensure they are legitimate and protected. Check references from previous clients and review their portfolio of past projects. A reputable contractor will be transparent about their qualifications and eager to provide this information. Thorough vetting helps avoid potential scams and ensures quality workmanship. Once you have chosen a contractor, a detailed written contract is essential. This document should clearly outline the project scope, materials to be used, payment schedule, timeline, and warranty information. Ensure it includes provisions for change orders and dispute resolution. Avoid paying the full amount up front. A typical payment schedule involves an initial deposit, progress payments, and a final payment upon satisfactory completion. Maintain open communication throughout the project, addressing any concerns promptly. Regular site visits and progress meetings help keep the project on track. A clear contract and good communication are key to a smooth contractor-client relationship and a successful home improvement project. Project management and completion. Effective project management is crucial for keeping your home improvement project on schedule and within budget. This involves continuous monitoring of progress, managing resources, and addressing any issues that arise. Regularly check in on the work, whether you are doing it yourself or overseeing a contractor. Keep track of expenses against your budget to avoid overspending. Be prepared for unexpected challenges and have contingency plans in place. Good communication with all parties involved, including family members, suppliers, and contractors, is vital for smooth execution. A proactive approach to problem solving helps maintain momentum and ensures a successful outcome. The completion phase involves final inspections, punch lists, and proper cleanup. Conduct a thorough walkthrough of the completed work, noting any deficiencies or areas that need refinement on a punch list. Ensure all items on the punch list are addressed to your satisfaction before making final payments to contractors. Proper cleanup of the work area, including debris removal and deep cleaning, restores your home to its pristine condition. Finally, gather all warranties, manuals, and important documents related to the project for future reference. Celebrating the completion of your home improvement project is a well-deserved reward for your hard work and planning, allowing you to enjoy your newly enhanced living space.